Okay, guys, for number 14, it says find the value of x, period. Then classify the triangle by its angle measures, period. So we're going to do two things. We're going to find out what x equals, and then we're going to use that. We'll find out what all the angles are, and we'll classify the triangle based on its angles. Remember, we can have an acute triangle, we can have a right triangle, or we can have an obtuse triangle. I know what this looks like, but I can't trust what it looks like. I have to actually find the measures, okay? Because this thing may not be drawn to scale. It may not look like it actually does look like, okay? So the first thing I need to remember is that when I add the measures of all the angles in a triangle, what number do I get? What is the degree measure when I add all of the angles in a triangle? What do I get, Trigo? 180. So that means if I take these three angles, I'm going to add x plus 25 plus 25. I should get 180. Okay? Now I'm going to drop the parentheses here. I'm going to get x plus, I don't need to change the signs inside there because this isn't a negative. Okay? So it's just going to be x plus 25 plus 25 is equal to 180. Okay? Now before I solve, I'm going to simplify. That means I'm going to combine like terms. And I've got x plus x gives me 2x. 25 plus 25 gives me 50 equals 180. Now I've combined all my like terms. I've reduced any fractions. I've distributed all that stuff. Now I'm ready to solve. Okay? And to solve, I need to get x by itself, which means I need to get the things that are farthest from x. I need to get rid of those first. So I'm going to subtract 50 from both sides, and I'm going to get that 2x is equal to 130. From there, I'm going to divide by 2, and I'm going to get that x is equal to 65. Now, that's the value of x, and that's what it asked me for. Okay? So that's one part of the question, right? That's one answer. That would go in the box. But next, I need to find out what kind of triangle is this. Well, I know that this is 65 degrees. I know that this angle is 65 plus 25. And 65 plus 25 actually equals 90 degrees. So I have 65 degrees, I have 90 degrees, and I have 25 degrees. What type of triangle is this, looking at these angle measures? Cole?
A right triangle?
It's a right triangle because one of the angles is equal to 90 degrees. And I could put a little box there, which is the symbol for a right angle. So this is a right triangle. That's supposed to be the symbol for triangle. That would also go in my box. All right? Great job, guys. Let's look at the next example.